Hi guys, welcome to Golden Eye. Today we are doing a basic question of journal entry. There are three golden rules of accounting. First is personal account, second real account, third nominal account. Under first personal account, rule is debit the receiver, credit the giver. Under second real account, rule is debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Third nominal account, rule is debit all expenses and credit all incomes and gain. Let's start the question. Enter the following transaction in the journal of Siaram and Sons 2018. On 1st January, Siaram and Sons started business with cash rupees 50,000. On 2nd January, purchased goods for cash rupees 20,000. On 4th January, purchased goods from Subhash rupees 12,000. On 5th January, purchased furniture for cash rupees 6,000. On 10th January, paid cash to Subhash rupees 8,000. On 16th January, purchased goods from Ravi for cash rupees 7,500. On 17th January, purchased goods from Ravi rupees 5,000. On 20th January, bought machinery for cash rupees 8,000. On 27th January, paid rent rupees 400. Let's start the answer. Journal of Siaram and Sons. Date, particulars, debit, credit. On 1st January 2018, Siaram and Sons started business with cash rupees 50,000. So cash is real account and rule is debit what comes in. So cash is coming into the business. So that's why we are debiting cash account. To capital account. Here proprietor is the giver. So instead of proprietor, we will write capital account. So credit the giver. Cash account debit to capital account 50,000 being cash brought in to the business. Second entry is on 2nd January 2018 purchase goods for rupees cash 20,000. So purchases is the nominal account and all expenses will be debited as per nominal account, and cash account is the real account. Credit what goes out. So here cash is going out, that's why we are crediting cash account. So entry will be purchases account debit to cash account 20,000. Next is on 1st January 2018 goods purchased from Subhash on credit rupees 12,000. So purchases is the nominal account. So rule is debit all expenses, that's why we are debiting purchases account. And Subhash is the personal account. Rule is credit the giver. So that's why we are crediting Subhash account. So purchases account debit to Subhash account 12,000. Next entry is on 5th January 2018 furniture purchased on cash rupees 6,000. So furniture is the real account. So debit what comes in. So furniture is coming into the business. That's why we are debiting furniture account. Cash account also real account. Cash is going out, that's why we are crediting cash account. Credit what goes out. So furniture account debit to cash account 6,000 being furniture purchased for cash. Next entry is on 10th January 2018 payment made to Subhash. Subhash is the personal account. Rule is debit the receiver. So Subhash account debit to cash account. Why we are crediting cash account? As cash is real account and cash is going out, so credit what goes out. So entry will be Subhash account debit to cash account 8,000 being payment made to Subhash account. Next entry is on 16 January 2018 Siaram and Sons purchase goods for cash rupees 7,500. So here two accounts are involved. First is purchase account, second is cash account. Purchase account is a nominal account and rule is debit all expenses. So purchase is our expense, so purchases account debit. Cash account is our real account and credit what goes out, that's why we are crediting cash account. Entry is purchases account debit to cash account 7,500 being goods purchased for cash. Next entry on 17 January 2018 Siaram and Sons purchase goods from Ravi on credit. So here two accounts are involved, purchase account and other is Ravi account. Purchase account is a nominal account and rule is debit all expenses, that's why we are debiting, and Ravi is a personal account. So Ravi is the giver. So rule is credit the giver. So that's why we are crediting Ravi account. Purchases account debit to Ravi account 5,000, being goods purchased from Ravi on credit. Next entry is on 20th January 2018. Siaram and Sons purchase machine for cash rupees 8,000. So machine is a real account and machine is coming into the business. Rule is debit what comes in. So that's why we are debiting machine account debit. Rule is credit what goes out. So machine account debit to cash account 8,000, being machine purchased for cash. Next and last entry is 27 January 2018. Rent paid for 400 rupees. So two accounts are involved, rent account and other is cash account. Rent is a nominal account because it is expense related to the business. So debit all expenses, that's why we are debiting rent account. Cash is a real account and credit what goes out. So cash is going out. Entry will be rent account debit to cash account 400, being rent paid. Now that this is done, if you have any doubt, then please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.